Hello and welcome to another Spend the Day with Me vlog. And this vlog is very special to me kasi kadate ko ang aking best friend na si Karen Faye. At medyo kakaiba ang trip namin sa date na ito kasi we're going to watch Disney Junior live on tour. So bago kami pumasok sa theater, bumili muna kami ng snacks and we bought popcorn and flavored fries. And we enter the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse where we will join the play date with Mickey and his friends. Nakakatuwa lang kasi it's been years since I've last watched Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Yung para ka naging bata ulit. And we agreed talaga ni Karen na it's very nostalgic and at the same time shocking kasi yung ibang mga shows and characters is hindi na talaga namin kilala. As in, yun talaga magkakatinginan kami and then sabihin namin, ha? Ano yun? Sino yun? So, I personally had to check it out online. So, ang nakikita niyong characters ngayon is from Super Kitties and yung kanina is from Puppy Dog Pals, which is a very new show na hindi na namin naabutan. And one very nostalgic and memorable thing that we did here in the show is calling Toodles. And one thing that shocked us, as in very shocked, is that Spider-Man is also in this. So it's Spidey and his amazing friends. So we have here Ghost Spider, Captain Gobby. Ayan, siya yung villain dyan sa playdate na yan. And we have here is Spin. So, siya yung mahilig mag-spin. And the show ended up with Mickey and Minnie dancing with DJ. So, si DJ yung parang co-host nila Mickey and Minnie throughout the whole show. And the show officially ended around 1 p.m. So, ayan, we enjoyed and puro bata mga kasama namin. Ayan, you can see the crowd going out na. Ayan, pagkatapos na show ay gumala naman ang mga auntie nyo at saka kumain, tas umuwi na. And before we end this vlog, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Karen for the free tickets. And that's it for today's vlog. See you in the next one.